The Grab Man. Good morning, everyone. It is Easter Sunday. Jesus has risen. If you're a religious person, happy Easter to you out there. We are up here on MacArthur Highway. I am looking for a place called the Coffee Lab. I was told they have good breakfast in there, and of course, you know, I like a good coffee. So I figured we'll walk up here, get some breakfast, drink some coffee. It's a matter of finding it, right? Matter of finding it. It's a truck driver. He said, cross the street, and gave me the old up the road. So we are heading up the road. Traffic is, well, it seems to be dead on a Sunday morning. I couldn't tell you if it's because of the price of gas. I couldn't tell you. I mean, you would think it would be. But anyways, we shall find the Coffee Lab. A lot of these are closed. A lot of these have been closed since Thursday. Yeah, Thursday, Friday. And then with Holy Week, they would open back up. Of course, a lot of them reopened, like the mall reopened on Saturday and Sunday, which I don't understand. JJ's Supermarket across the road, that has been there. Good God. It goes way back. I see pictures of Johnny's. Did I say JJ's? Johnny's Supermarket. That has been there. I see pictures in black and white. That's how far back Johnny's Supermarket is open. So anyways, I guess we'll find it. I have to probably, I don't know. We'll find it. We'll find the Coffee Lab. Converge right there on the right hand side. Converge Fiber. All right, let's find the Coffee Lab. All right, we'll get there. I asked the truck driver back there. I said, "Where's the Coffee Lab?" All right, and he goes, "Oh, coffee? Starbucks." Starbucks. Like, no, the Coffee Lab. He didn't know. And then I seen a sign at the fitness center, and I thought it was in there. And oh no, I guess the owners of the fitness center also had the Coffee Lab. And Look thought I was saying coffee love. Look thought I was saying coffee love.
Coffee love.
So she's asking him, "Where's the coffee love?" I'm like, I don't know. We'll get there. We will get there. The anticipation of the Coffee Lab. Coffee Lab. All right, I have located the Coffee Lab right there, right across from the Robinson's Appliance Store, Savers Mall, Cactus Jack's, Samurai, which is also in there. It's right here on the corner. You go down there, that'll take you down to Diamond Subdivision. This is it. Watch out. Watch out. I don't want to get run over. This is it right there, the Coffee Lab. Boy, it looks nice. It looks really nice from the front. So let's head in here, and they have outside dining, inside dining, but here it is. Right here. Here we go. Right here. Boom. The Coffee Lab. All right. Check this out. This is their menu. It's a tablet, and you scroll through and order what you want. I've seen some pastries in there that look amazing. Oh man. Sugar though. Sugar. All right, guys, I'm just gonna name some of the sandwiches they have here. All right. They've got wraps, buffalo wraps, smoked turkey sandwiches, smoked chicken sandwich, prime rib sandwiches, lab shack burger, smoked ham sandwiches, Italian sandwiches, pastrami sandwiches, roast beef sandwiches, Reuben, a Philly cheesesteak, a meatball sub, a classic hamburger, a classic cheeseburger, a chili cheese dog, BLT, clubhouse sandwich. Holy cow. All day breakfast right here is what I'm going for. Steak and eggs, overload breakfast, Aussie burger, coffee legs, coffee lab breakfast, eggs Benedict, ham and cheese omelet, overload omelet. Oh man, I will definitely, what an extensive menu. And what an extensive menu. And of course, the coffee. They have a massive menu on the coffee. Look, they even have carbonara pasta. Yeah, check it out, the Coffee Lab. Check out their menu. Go online. Check it out. All right, the coffee has arrived. All right, check it out. I can't say I ever had a coffee like that. Apologize for the loud motorbikes. I know, but I'm just sitting inside. I like watching. Anyways, check it out. And she asked me what kind of bean I wanted. She told me the bean that I would get had this flavor in it, and if I wanted Spanish milk or fresh milk or whatever, but that, I'm telling you, that's the first time I've ever had coffee like that. Now this is iced coffee, all right? So I'll tell you if it's good. Here, look, record me, hold that.
Wait.
All right, here we go. All right, iced coffee, that's hot. That's all right, no big deal. Let me add the fresh milk. Hope it don't overflow, hang on. It does have a chocolate flavor to it.
Oh, really?
Let me add the milk. Let me add the syrup or the sugar. I always like tasting the coffee before I put milk and sugar in it, because that coffee flavor in my mouth. All right, I don't have anything to stir, but that's all right, no big deal. Wow, that's good. That is very good. Check this out. Look, ordered a strawberry milkshake. Wow, that looks like nothing I've ever seen in my entire life. Anyways, I asked the girl, do you have a spoon for this, right? Well, this lifts up, all right, like a secret compartment. And underneath is a little stir. I know, hey, what do you expect? We're province people living in a mud hut out in the province, but let me get the light so you can actually see this strawberry. Look at that. No, wow, that looks so good. No cherry on top though, right?
No.
That looks really good. All right, seems like every time I turn on my camera, a loud bike goes flying down MacArthur. Anyways, biscuits and gravy have arrived. That looks good. Let's film my first bite. And I haven't had biscuits and gravy since Eric and Mercy Happy's Bar and Chill was open. So this is my first taste here. And let me get a knife here. The key is the biscuit. You got to have a good biscuit. Very good. Very, very good. All right, guys, let me do a little walk around here. They did give me the green light to video inside, but I was saying earlier that the outside seating out here, where you can sit, all you got to do is press a little button on the table, and they'll jump right up and come out and see what you need. But wow, very good, very good. All this outside seating. But let's go inside. Let me just show you around the inside here real quick. Look at these little dogs. Can you bring your dog here? Maybe, but check it out. This is very nice inside here. Can you bring your dog here? You can bring your dog here. What if you got a big dog?
It's okay, sir.
It's okay? Any kind of dog. All right, but check out the pastries here. Pumpkin pie, almond croissants, cookies, s'mores croissant, chocolate cream cheese croissant. I'm eyeing that one up. Cheesecake, carrot cake, Biscoff caramel cheesecake. Makes my sugar go up, but very nice inside here. If you haven't been here and you live in the city here, check it out. I'm impressed. You even have seating up top, up there. I'm not going to walk up there, but down here, nice, cool air conditioning. Up there is seating. Back here, friendly staff. Hello.
Hello, guys. Welcome to her vlog.
Welcome to my vlog. But this is very nice. Very nice. And what hours? What are your hours?
We open 8 a.m. We close 4 a.m.
4 a.m. You serve alcohol in here? Alcohol? You serve alcohol in here also?
The bar.
The bars. Upstairs? Upstairs.
Here's the
Oh, here. Oh, so wines.
wine.
Wines only. No beer?
Upstairs is shisha and vaping area.
Oh, shisha and vaping. Can I go upstairs?
Yes.
Okay, let me go upstairs here. Shisha and vaping areas upstairs. So they do the old shisha up here. I know I said I wasn't going to come up here, but I want to show you around up here. It says the library back in there. I don't know what that is, but wow, this is nice. Sit up here. You want to smoke some shisha, you can smoke some shisha. But very, very nice. I recommend it. Check it out. Check it out. If you live in Angley City here, recommend it. The breakfast was very good. The reason I asked about dogs was because I seen you could bring your dog here and hang out with your dog and eat and smoke some shisha. Anyways, let's go down the steps here. Air conditioning. It's very nice air conditioning in here. Yeah. And here's your steps coming down. Decorations here. I'm not a huge big coffee guy, but this is the lab, the coffee lab. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you this here real quick. This sign. All right, look, what does that say?
Supposed to be the motorbike.
Are not allowed in the left-hand lane.
Yeah.
Right. All right. This is where I got my ticket that one time. They have these signs here. Of course, it's in Tagalog, and I was turning right there by the coffee lab. All right.
Are you the Philly guy?
Oh, yeah. Hey, hang on. All right, back to your daily vlog. Subscriber, got talking with him. California, Filipino, retired. Nice guy, very nice guy. But anyways, back there, like I said, I was turning left by the coffee lab, and I was in the left-hand lane, and they pulled me over and said I couldn't be there. I had to be in the right-hand lane, even though the turn signal was on. Things like that crack me up. Anyways, we got to take our walk back. It's starting to warm up. Like I said, the coffee lab there, I recommend it. If you go in there and tell them I sent you, you won't get a discount. They didn't pay me to promote them, but I do like, going to new places here. That's what's nice. Businesses open up, close down in here, and they've, for years and years. And when the new ones come up, and we're here, I want to check it out, especially if everybody's talking about it. So there's a lot of people I talk to, and they say, yeah, go up there and try the sausage gravy and biscuits. It's good. It is good. It is good. I'm sure everything on their menu is good. But we're going to go up there. We're going to grab either a lunch up there sometime, because it looks like carbonara. And I've seen they had the Philly cheesesteak plus roast beef hoagies and Italian hoagies. So anyways, time to head back to where we're staying. And well, you guys have seen MacArthur Highway here a million times. It's just regurgitating. All I'm doing is regurgitating where I walked in the past 8 years of living here, and just seeing what's new. That's my objective. All right, so I just found out. All right, here where Pinky's used to be. I don't know if they relocated or whatever. I should just send her a message, because I love their bacon. The acupuncture place here now has moved over there. MTE Clinic Seriatic Wellness Treatment. So they just moved across the street. And of course, Rumpa's still there. Couldn't tell you if that is open, but I'll have to send Pinky a message. See, Pinky's Prime Meat in Delhi. If anybody knows, if she moved, where she moved to or whatever, let me know. Because I love their bacon. And their sandwiches are real good. So yeah, let me know. Let me know. Leave a comment down below what you know. If you know anything.